First question, gram-positive bacteria differ from gram-negative bacteria by which of the following? Answer options. Option A, peptidoglycan. Option B, mycoic acid. Option C, teichoic acid. Option D, all of these. Correct answer, option C, teichoic acid. Second question, presence of RBC in urine is detected by. Answer options. Option A, physical examination. Option B, chemical examination. Option C, microscopic examination. Option D, all of these. Correct answer, option C, microscopic examination. Third question, Cooley's anemia is occurred due to. Answer options. Option A, absence of beta gene. Option B, absence of RBCs. Option C, absence of all blood cells. Option D, increase of WBC. Correct answer, option A, absence of beta gene. Fourth question, which test result would increase in a urine specimen sitting at room temperature for 3 hours? Answer options. Option A, bilirubin. Option B, nitrite. Option C, leukocytes. Option D, urobilinogen. Correct answer, option B, nitrite. Fifth question, the destruction of erythrocytes to release hemoglobin is called. Answer options. Option A, hemorrhage. Option B, hemostasis. Option C, erythropoiesis. Option D, hemolysis. Correct answer, option D, hemolysis. Sixth question, best medium for urine culture. Answer options. Option A, blood agar. Option B, nutrient agar. Option C, CLED agar. Option D, chocolate agar. Correct answer, option C, CLED agar. Seventh question, what is pancytopenia? Answer option. Option A, reduction of all type of blood cells. Option B, low number of RBC. Option C, increase of all type of blood cells. Option D, reduction is cytoplasmic ratio. Correct answer, option A, reduction of all type of blood cells. Eighth question, which stain is not a category of Romanowski? Important question. Answer options. Option A, Giemsa's stain. Option B, Wright stain. Option C, Leishman stain. Option D, Sudden stain. Correct answer, option D, Sudden stain. Ninth question, sharp of needles discarded in. Answer options. Option A, blue container. Option B, red container. Option C, yellow container. Option D, black container. Correct answer, option B, red container. 10th question, which method is used for bilirubin estimation? Answer options. Option A, Malloy and Evelyn method. Option B, DAM method. Option C, Biuret method. Option D, heat method. Correct answer, option A, Malloy and Evelyn method. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. താങ്ക് യു.